Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart, but what we'll be doing, it may actually work on Chrysler 200 as well, because both of the vehicles guys, they share the same platform and many of the parts are the same as well. What we'll be doing guys, we will show you how to access and how to remove the cabin air filter. Okay, this is the air filter that is for the heater, blower, motor, fan for the cabin inside, that actually cleans the air that's going from the outside to the inside the cabin guys. So this is not the engine filter, this is the cabin air filter. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to save money on car parts, tools, anything like that guys, if you need to buy a new cabin air filter as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. We will share all that with you, so check it out. We have guys a 2015 Dodge Dart GT, but doesn't matter if it's a GT regular version, the procedure should be the same. And where that filter is located now guys, okay, it's a little bit hard to get to. What we did, we removed the glove box. You're going to see we removed the glove box so we can access it and show you better, but you do not have to remove your glove box. We're going to explain all that in just a second. So this is it, this is the Dodge Dart guys, okay, right here. Cabin air filter is located okay underneath, okay, and it will be for the filter for the climate controls here. So let's go ahead, we'll go to the other side, okay, and we'll show you how to access it now. So let me show you guys what we'll be doing. We open the passenger door here, right? We come to the passenger compartment. As you can see, the glove box is out, but you do not have to remove guys your glove box, okay? You don't have to do that. What you need to do now, okay, grab that cover, okay, and pull it. You have 3 clips guys, 1, 2, 3, and I'll get that thing out of the way. Now looking at it guys, okay, right here on the bottom, okay, you can definitely see, okay, your cabin air filter and access it from this point. This is the cabin air filter. Now it's very important how you install that thing guys. On top, okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of light. How we access it on top, I'm going to show you in a second. Now in order to remove it guys, okay, there is one clip right here. Grab it, okay, push up, and at the same time pull the cover. Okay, now you're going to notice that this cover, okay, let's get somebody just to hold the light a little bit so I can show you. Okay, or maybe let me see, I'm trying to see my best. Okay, like that, perfect. And if we hold the light like that, now I'm going to situate the camera here. You need to come guys in an angle, okay, and come out of there on top, okay. You can see that tooth goes up there. So okay, now we don't need to be there anymore, so we need to come down there now, okay. And you can do all that from underneath guys. You don't need to remove your glove box. You grab your cabin air filter that's located inside, okay, right here, and I want to show you how bad that thing will be. Okay, and from what I can see now guys, okay, you may have to remove the glove box. Why? Because the glove box will be here and it may be hitting here. It may not, but it may be hitting, and you may have a hard time getting it out because it's very long filter. I didn't think it's so long, but it's pretty long guys. So if you want to see how to remove the glove box assembly, I'm talking about the whole glove box assembly, check out guys, okay, the video will be on the channel and it will explain how to do that. It will be called glove box removal on Dodge Dart or Chrysler 200. And you can see guys, this is the cabin air filter, okay. This thing is bad, okay, this is terrible guys. You're going to breathe that stuff. So when you're ready to put it together, all we have to do guys, get the new one, push it in, and later, remember how I explained about this one right here on top? It needs to go in like that first and then close it on the bottom, because otherwise it will be always flopping on top. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.